Yeah. Hello guys and welcome to Walking Project. It's a very big day for me because I finally managed to get my hands on my first ever gimbal, guys. Now I never really realized that I need a gimbal until I shot my OnePlus 6 versus the Samsung Galaxy S9 full comprehensive camera test, and I found out that actually on 60 FPS in 4K you don't have any EIS. So that's why I figured out, man, I need one of those gimbals, and I went ahead and I bought the brand new shiny Xiaomi Mijia 3-axis smartphone gimbal, guys. It's pretty nice. As you can see, the price is only about £100, and I can't wait to test it out, guys. So let's just have a look at the gimbal itself quickly. Okay guys, if you have a look at the menu, you're gonna see a QR code. You scan it and you download the original Xiaomi application, which unfortunately is in Chinese and I don't really understand what exactly is going on, but to your preference you can as well use the built-in Samsung or whatever application you have on your phone, and most of the controls are going to work with it as well. So let me quickly show you the controls actually. Okay, so that's the app itself, pretty much straightforward, nothing special over here. And what kind of controls are we getting over here, guys? There's the battery indicator over here, there's the on and off as well as the video button. That's a quick, let me show you. You press this button over here and it takes a photo for you. It takes a few seconds, but it takes a photo eventually. Now, this is the joystick over here, which you control the tilt of the gimbal like that, guys. And for whatever reason, if the gimbal gets decalibrated, if you do like that, if you play around with it like that, you can double press this button over here and it automatically calibrates itself to the horizontal position. As well as at the back, you've got this, zoom button over here. Unfortunately, that's a digital zoom, of course, because that's the zoom that the phone actually offers. So I don't really recommend using the zoom button unless necessary, and pretty much that's it, guys. Most of the gimbal is made, you've got over here a little bit of rubber, you've got plastic over here and a little bit of aluminum, which basically I understand because you want to keep the weight down. So let's waste no more time, calibrate the gimbal like that and start filming. Okay guys, so that's gonna be our first test with the S9. I'm filming with the front-facing camera at the moment in 4K, which means that the phone is using only the optical image stabilization. There is no digital one. So let me just do a quick sprint over here to see how the stabilization works out of the box. And now I'm gonna mount the phone to the gimbal and let's see what we're gonna get, guys. Okay guys, so the phone is on the gimbal now. Again, S9 front-facing camera, 4K. I can use the joystick to control it like that, which is nice. And now let's see how the stabilization works while I am running like that, guys. Okay, I guess you got an idea. Let's switch to the back cameras and see what results we're gonna get. Okay guys, so that's footage of the back camera of the S9 in 4K 60 FPS, which means again the optical image stabilization is on, but we do not have a digital one. And you can tell that by doing a short sprint over here, guys, and you can see that the image is gonna be quite shaky, I guess. And now let me put it on the gimbal and let's see what difference is it going to make. Okay guys, so I'm on the gimbal now. Again, 4K 60 FPS, no digital stabilization, only optical. Now I'm shooting with the gimbal now. Let me just adjust the tilt like that a little bit. Oh, nice. And let's do a quick sprint over here, guys, to see what kind of results are we going to get. Okay, and I'm gonna do something different now. Okay guys, so let's get some footage in 4K 30 FPS, which means both optical plus digital image stabilization is on. It's not the best in the world, it's not like the OnePlus 6, but anyway, I think it's good enough for most people. And let's just do a quick sprint over here, guys, to see how it works. Okay, I guess you've got the idea. And now let's leave both of those stabilizations on and put it on the gimbal to see what we're gonna get. Okay guys, so now again 4K, both optical plus digital stabilizations are on, and I've got everything on the gimbal. So I'm expecting a pretty cinematography type of results, movie quality. So let's see, let's just do a quick sprint over here, guys, to see what we're gonna get. I'm expecting big results over here. Oh yeah. Let me just play around with the controls a little bit. Oh nice. You can actually get creative with that thing. Alright, well, let me upload, actually, let me just switch it off like that, guys. Let me do like that. Okay guys, I'm really not sure if you were able to see me or not like that, but anyway, I'm controlling it kind of the other way around. Let me upload everything to the computer and you're gonna hear my conclusion in a sec. Okay guys, conclusion time. I couldn't wait to go home, because what I usually do is I go home on the computer, I upload everything, I analyze this and that. But man, I was just walking down the park over here, checking the footage, and I can tell you guys that I can't really be happier about the results that I'm getting. This stabilization is absolutely crazy on this gimbal, guys. Now, I know I've paid only £100 and it's just my first gimbal. I can't really compare it to anything else, to be honest with you, because I saw that there are £300-400 ones. But from what I get for just £100, guys, I can't really be happier, to be honest with you. You saw what's going on. I mean, it's way better and smoother, and I can't really believe that, you know, for that price you're getting such a high quality product. Bloody hell. Yeah, so yeah guys, I'm super happy about this gimbal. I'm gonna leave a link in the description down below to the GearBest website. It's only £104, I believe. It's on a promotion at the moment, so it's a little bit cheaper. Get it while you can, and you can see that it makes quite a huge difference. Even though my Samsung Galaxy S9 has both optical image stabilization plus digital one, and then the gimbal enhances even further and you're getting a buttery smooth videos, guys. And as well as if you have a crappy phone, like let's say something cheap like the new Xiaomi Redmi S2 that I recently reviewed, it's like $120 for a phone, and it offers digital image stabilization, which of course is not good. But if you get something like that, your photos and of course your videos are going to look a lot more professional, guys. So basically this is for absolutely everybody who's taking videos with their phones, guys. Especially if you go on holiday or a nice walk at the park or anything like that, get the gimbal with you, and basically your problem is sorted. Now, what about the battery life, guys? I really can't tell at the moment, but I left home with 3/4 full and now it's half full. So basically I lost like 25% of a battery, constantly filming for like maybe 2 hours, hour and a half, 2 hours, something like that. So the battery life, I guess, is gonna run you the whole day of shooting, guys. So to be honest with you, I've got nothing to complain about this gimbal. The build quality is good, plastic with some aluminum to keep the weight down. So my first ever gimbal, £100. I'm super happy, guys. Again, check the link in the description down below, check my unboxing as well, and see you later. And don't forget to subscribe, by the way. See you later, guys.